Hi. Hello. Napolitan. A pleasant and funny, ironical poem by Mr. Nicola Capasso, 17th century poet. Credit, guys, goes to Mr. Achille Serao, the author of this amazing, priceless antologia napoletana dal 1500 al 2000. Absolutely a gem library about Neapolitan poems from 16th century up to 21st century. Amazing. Let's go. Mierola, Maravizza, Pica e Zivola. Amazing. Let's learn some vocabulary about birds with this one. 3, 2, 1. Sommierola, Maravizza, Pica e Zivola. O Ash, o Curv, o Varvaian, o Ciavola. Chista, che son vezzata a farsi pivola, cu li vierza stirata cu li stravola. Meglio venite cicera cocivola. Amazing. Oh, iata ven a carreia tavola. Non facite sentì più piccia e trivola, che ve pozza piglia centariavola. Vi che smorfia, rasta e di scaravetola. Signora mia, trasitevi le pettole, che a me parite tanta sciallavattola. Pittata innanzi a ste taverne bettola, ma saparate sono lì caravettola, le piglieram tutte ste civettola. Amazing. È una chicca questa poesia. It's a gem, literally a gem. This poem, I absolutely love it. It's a kind of tongue twister. Is a vocabulary learning of birds, and it's really ironic. It's really funny, depicting, a typical scene on a bar, where are all these, these women and the men, they are ready to. That's amazing, really nice. Okay, let's go now with Italian and English, because it's quite difficult, this one, also in Neapolitan, guys, really. I had a hard time to understand. Okay, let's go. Italian to English transcript. Sono merli, tordi, gazze e zigoli. They are blackbirds, throstles, magpies and buntings. O assioli, o corvi, o barbagianni, o cornacchie. Or scops owls, crows, burn owls, carrion crows. Costoro che sono avvezzi a far questi lamenti, all those ones used to resonate these laments. Ora i versi stiracchiati per le stranezze peggiori. And now those weird verses for the sake of the worst oddities. Meglio che vi mettiate a vendere ceci da cuocere. Maybe you could start selling raw chickpeas. O ve ne andiate a trasportare tavole. Or maybe even carrying tables. Non fateci ascoltare più piagnucoli e pianti dirotti. Don't bother us with your whimpers and weepings, che vi possano prendere 100 diavoli. That's a swearing. That hundreds demons could take you all. E quante smorfie fate per meritare? How much effort you bring on to deserve? La gloria dei tabernacoli. The glory of the tabernacles. Signori miei, sistematevi le camicie. Dear sirs, tied up your shirts. Che mi sembrate tanto sciammanati. You just look that messy to me. Ve ne state imbellettati davanti a taverne e bettole. You stand like a gentleman, well groomed, right there around taverns and cheap inns. Ma se fossero pronte le gabbie, but if the cages would be ready in place, le prenderemmo tutte codeste civette. We would catch all of these owls. Guys, I put a note about la gloria dei tabernacoli. Ok, la gloria dei tabernacoli, it's a reference to the tabernacle, a portable tent-like structure used by the Israelites during their journey in the wilderness after the exodus from Egypt. The tabernacle was considered the dwelling place of God among his people. That's quite interesting. If you want to go deep, I put the link, okay? Again from Mr. Kindly posted from Achille Serao in his amazing Antologia Napoletana. Okay, 5 centuries of Neapolitan poetry, amazing. And really he have chosen the cream, really the top. The language is really rather challenging, so that is nice also to me, to go through new content that I have never seen before. Okay, so, and that is really interesting and beautiful. Okay, guys, I read again Neapolitan. Okay. Sommiero, le maravizza, Peak e Zivola by Nicola Capasso, poet of the 17th century. Sommiero, la maravizza, Peak e Zivola, o Ash, o Curva, o Varvaian, o Ciavola. Chista, che son vezzata a fassi pivola, cu diversa stirata cu li stravola. Meglio venite Cicere cocivola, o iata venna a carria a tavola. Non facite sentì chiù picce e trivola, che vi pozza piglia centariavola. Vi, che smorfia, la sta agli scaravattola. Signora mia, trasite per pettola, che mi parite tanta scialavattola. Pittate innanzi ste taverne e bettola, ma saparata soli caravattola, le piglieram tutte ste civettole. English only, alright. They're blackbirds, throstles, magpies, and buntings, or scops, owls, crows, barn owls, carrion crows. All those ones used to resonate these laments, and now those weird verses for the sake of the worst oddities. Maybe you could start selling raw chickpeas, or maybe even carrying tables. Don't bother us with your whimpers and weepings. that 100 demons could take you all. How much effort you bring on to deserve the glory of the tabernacles? Dear sirs, tied up your shirts. You just look that messy to me. You stand like a gentleman, well groomed, right there around taverns and cheap inns. But if the cages would be raiding place, we would catch all of these owls. Alright guys, thank you very much and see you next. Bye. Ciao.